by my mother, and she was like, "You have to wake up, because you need to clean up." This. No one else was willing to do this. Imagine, I was having my precious, beautiful sleep. Anyway, the the sleeping was so peaceful. It was really, really peaceful. Oh, this is fine. I love this, especially when they're cooked with only onions added. I love them. Like their broth or the soup that it produces. So good. And I still have like, this is how many I still have to do. Ew. Sorry. So it's still too much. Like around 30 or 50, if I'm not mistaken. The kids are outside, they're playing. I'm inside the outdoor kitchen. Hi, Felipe. Felipe, hi. This one was already put inside the water, and somehow it overcooked. This one as well. I think a few of them. It happened to a few of them, actually. Hmm? Eh? Eh? Amban? Ako cipangan? Oh my god, hi. So, oh my god, I even forgot, but I think it's overcooked. Oh, skin is peeling off. Thank you. Say hi, Blair. A compliment coming my way. Yes, please. Keep them coming. Keep them coming, guys. Let me try to put. Oh, yes. The mistake was to move the phone. So, and I don't know why I was waking up. Like before I could even do rest nyana, pray nyana, read the Bible nyana, have some quality moment. They were like, come and clean out the chicken feet. Hush, why? 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 I feel so, I still feel sleepy. Yesterday I slept very, very late. There was one mosquito that was very naughty. Just one. It was biting me and the kids. And I like sleeping with the lights off. So I would switch off the lights and the mosquito would just bite. You will ever have the pleasure of meeting. Like I am productive when I want to be and not so productive when I don't want to be. I hate this task. I don't know why they prefer buying this chicken leg. I think they should have bought the one that was like already clean or something. But no, they decided they're gonna buy this ones, and I am going to have to clean them out. Like clean 50 or something chicken feet all alone. That is abuse. Abuse. Yo, my hair. I'm looking at my hair. Like I did this style yesterday. We were together when I was doing this. I was on a live. You remember, right? So I did not even have time to like tidy it up a little bit. Wow! The chicken leg is doing some kung fu moves. What do you wake up and do early in the morning, guys? Like, it's Saturday. I don't have much to do. Like, zero. Literally zero. You know. Ah, I think the water is becoming cold. So I need to return it back into the fire, which is what I just did. Ugh. So what do you do anyway, like in your Saturday mornings? Normally, I like to spend quality time with the kids. Like, I will just be playing with them, reading maybe a book, building some puzzles and whatnot. But today, yeah, the kids woke up early today, so they were playing. I told Emmanuel to get out the toys, and yeah, they were playing. But I was sleeping because, like I said, I didn't get enough sleep because of that mosquito. It disappeared around 4, that mosquito. Like it was a go one. And only then did I sleep. I don't want to put my mouth on this, but I have to because otherwise it won't come off. Ah, ugh, I hate this. I I hate this. I need to sit down like on the floor. My knee is giving me problems. Ever since I gave birth, my knee has been giving me problems. Like the first few weeks, 2 months, it's a problem. So this is how much I've cleaned so far. Uh, I think somebody's gonna have to come and take over this job because no ways. Oh, like I can't. I'm tired already. I'm tired of bending and like the pelvis. They're not allowing me to like sit properly. Ooh, yeah, the water is no longer giving. Mm-mm. Oh no, I need to do the fire. Ah, woman, so now I want to redo the fire because this water is no longer that hot. Ah, this thing is giving me problems. Yep, the fire is happening. Like I could literally put in my fingers inside and it doesn't feel that hot. I think I should move this fire. Oh, I'm removing the outer skin of the chicken legs. I'm removing the outer skin. Do you not eat chicken legs? They are so delicious. Ew! Rupia. Mm-mm. They are one of my favorite parts of a chicken. I think my favorite part of the chicken would be gizzards. Guys, I know that a lot of people around the world do not eat gizzards, but my addiction with gizzards, and I hardly buy them because I hardly see them whenever I go shopping. But they're my favorite part of a chicken, followed by what? Livers. And then after the livers, I would say I love the actual meat of the chicken. Let me show you. See, there is the fire, and I'm literally putting in my hands inside here. I don't want the chicken face to overcook. I just want the outer part to be soft. That's it. Mm, done. Done with that. And let's see if it worked. See? It wonder how other people sort of like clean out the legs. Is there any machinery? Gosh, I need to sit down, guys. I need to sit down. I need to sit down now. It's either I sit down or I stop this. My pelvis is hurting so bad. This is taking longer than I am comfortable with, and I haven't even done half of the chicken legs yet, which is very discouraging, by the way. I still have this much to do, like a lot. This pain of mine. Ubeba, ubeba, the steam, like the steam is really doing me in. It's so painful. It's done in the right time. Ooh. Wow. You know, yesterday when I woke up, right, I saw this video. You know what? I'm always watching or reading the news. Yesterday I told you guys that I did politics, I did administration, majoring in politics and the actual administration, you know. So I'm forever on the news because I want to see what our government is up to, other countries' government is up to, and whatnot. The part that I hate again. So while I was busy scrolling, I think I was scrolling on Facebook, I saw this other, video of this woman, allegedly. I work on a Hey, this thing is gonna cook me, guys. It's so hot. So allegedly, this woman strangled to the underworld. So I watched the first quarter of the video. Shame, guys. It was very painful to watch. Like, unless if your own life is threatened, do you really have to go that far? if you are hijacking somebody, just hijack. Why do you also have to take away their life? As a mom, that pain for this, for the parents of the deceased, it must be, I can't even imagine, like when you're at home sleeping or whatnot, and then you receive a call that your baby, your child is deceased. The heartbreak, you guys, the heartbreak. I can just, oof, I can't actually. I don't want it. The pain that I feel whenever I feel like my son got hurt or he fell down or Lily got hurt. Mm, I feel, yeah, my mother wants this. Oh, Rwanda betula. Away. No, guys, Lily is yet to eat. I just remembered. Lily have not eaten yet. I just remembered this. And my dad is probably my girl has not yet eaten. Let's take those near me now because I'm like sitting down. Oh, what is this? Somebody sent a message. Somebody saying, let me get your numbers. For what? For what? I don't give out my numbers. If I tell you that less than 30 people have my numbers, you won't believe. It's just my siblings who have my numbers and some friends. I don't I don't I don't give people my numbers at all. Like I'm not that active when it comes to talking, maybe on WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is big here. We use WhatsApp for communication, or on Messenger. If I'm on Facebook, I'm very, 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 very. If you're not seeing my videos posting here, just know I'm posting on Instagram and Facebook. I'm very consistent that side. I'm sorry. Like, I'm really consistent that side. So, if you see me on Facebook, normally I'm reading the news, I'm catching up on the news, I'm watching some funny videos, I'm posting my own content. I do not even respond to messages that side. There are people here from my YouTube or that side. I do try to talk to my YouTube people. Actually, I talk to my YouTube people because you're supporting me that side as well. But I don't give up my numbers. Hoibo, somebody is literally saying that's very inappropriate. Who is this? Emmanuel. That's very that's very inappropriate. That's very inappropriate. But I'm very protective of my numbers. I don't want to be called shame. Like, even if you're a friend, you have okay, that's my son talking. That is my son talking. My ear off. He's talking my ear off. Okay, good boy. Okay, Manuel. Little guy. Uko run. The other kids are complaining that Lily's. Dakalo utofunesa nga mando dzirati na Rwanda. Zvino vada mugidhira. Avanga bebe vamulicha. Vada mugidhira. Sorry. Oh. Vatu vapi? Wamakurunge endo dova weta badi. Vatu vavana?
Ndabona balaba kujibo bangi kune bali mama bali nabo kuenela hundi vazina vavati
Ya vakomba
ndavaudza ndandicha kunini ndizosvika ngini ndacheka munauzi
ukweta Rwanda
ndikanakopa muchimbo ndianengwa apendikushava ngini uchikoropa
Biko
dotamba wabhora
na biko uvakosuwa biko This one is one of the easiest that I've ever done. Koyova. My mother was actually complaining that my sister was not coming out of the toilet and she wanna bite that side. She was complaining badly because she's going to church. In her church, they have Saturday services. I just remembered that I still need to call my bank. I am seeing transactions that I do not understand what's happening with them. So I just remembered now that I need to call them and ask what's happening because I'm not rich, love. I'm not rich by any means. So for a bank, or if there is some weird fun activities happening, I need to call the bank. I just remembered now. I need to put it on my schedule. I forgot to even take the medicine for my tinea vesicolor. I forgot literally because I was woken up. Somebody thought waking me up would be good. Not good. Hi. I'm listening to the things the kids are saying outside. It is so funny. Guys, ask me anything, but let me drop a few. If you're new to the channel, right, let me give you a few things. I'm a single mom of two, and after under 30, I'm not gonna say my exact age, but I'm reaching the big 30. Actually, I'm literally there. Anyways, and after my two kids, I have decided that I'm done with that department, and on top of that, I have also decided that I'm gonna take a break from dating for like let me see, maybe 5 to 6 years. I do that normally. I'm not into dating that much. I don't know if that is to be believed, but hi. But yeah, I'm taking a break from the dating scene It's not my thing. And as somebody who started dating very late in her life, I don't think I'm missing much because I've been there and I've done that. And all I can say is, doesn't feel like I'm missing much. Hey, all those look like chicken feet that have been put in water before and they were returned. I do not know by who. I'm not gonna do them as well. Hell no. So it doesn't feel like I've been missing out on much. Cause the streets lately, they do sound like or look like trash. I'm not trashing anybody. Sorry. I'm not trashing anybody. Um the last relationship that I was in, it did not end on a mutual agreement. That man still harasses me to this day. Yes, he still harasses me to this day, and he still does not understand why we broke up. We did not break up because of infidelity. We broke up because this man pretended like he was something or somebody he was not. This man was a total drunkard. He would forever be drunk. I couldn't. Didn't I? Eh, okay. I own this man will be drunk Monday to Monday. Every single day. Hi. That's how I say, girl. He will be drunk Monday to Monday. And he tried to hid it from me for so long. And until I discovered that, man, this person is doing this. I'm great. And you? I'm complaining because I'm a jello, dating, relationship wise. Doesn't feel like you're missing out on much. And my mom woke me up very early just to do this. Those are chicken fits. Can't you say? How do you? They are chicken fits. I'm still cleaning the outer skin. I'm still cleaning them. So ukafe aya manthuna ndikotote tomatisani abe. So I'm still cleaning them. Hey, ngamne ndoita ndikothupa magonda manga panga pa. Hey, yet. So I also had to cook them after I'm done. And I also have to cook some pap. Okay, Alex Trigger, I will be looking forward to receiving you again. So I still need to cook pap. I still need to cook these chicken feet. Will you be guys with me? I don't know. I've never been live for, I don't know if I've done 2 hours before, but maybe I'll try it today. So I received a message from my sister. She's asking about Emmanuel. She no longer has shoes, like the shoes for playing outside. They are like all of them broke. So I told her today to go and buy shoes for Emmanuel. You know, good thing I saved some for the shoes. So yeah, ugh, I don't like seeing my son. You, oh, thank you. That really helps, honestly speaking. Ooh. And I feel so hot. I tend to sweat a lot. I sweat a lot. It's one of the reasons why I have tinea vesicolor. I sweat a lot. Like, oof. I did something. Guys, it's 36 degrees today. 36 degrees today. Huh? Well done. Like the steam has been burning my feet, my fingers. So it's 36 degrees, guys. This level of hotness. I beg you, if there is someone who is rich here, ew, okay, please adopt me, ne? Adopt me in your country where temperatures do not exceed like 30 degrees. Cause honey, what do you mean it's 36 degrees and it's this hot? Hmm? Maybe it's hot, man. My skin is starting to be itchy. I did not have time to wash it. I washed it last night before I slept. I can't sleep without bathing. I've never tried it. Maybe while I was growing up, I tried it because I was still a kid and hygiene was not that high on my list. But as an adult, I've never tried it. And honestly speaking, it's a lifesaver. So I only washed my face, my body last night before I went to sleep. And this morning, because I was dragged out of bed, I did not. Oh, Jesus! I did not get the time. Um, um, I don't know what's happening, but all I can say is I'm very far at this point. The Wi-Fi is inside the house, sort of like a router. They just say something like a router, but and I am like a few centimeters away. Hey, you know what? Whatever, man. Reading the way. Aya makonda masina othubiwa nganye una makonda unothubiwa wa bebethu. Othubiwa omune wa kana otoposwa madini. Kana aba odito rali, atorengo rali. Eh? So I'm asking my sister who did this, the chicken feet, like the ones that look like they've already been put in on cold hot water. She has no idea as well. The streets are cold. I just need. Yeah, I'm almost done, guys. I am almost done. I think I'm gonna go inside, do some water, ish, and I need to feed Lily. She has not yet eaten. Baby girl still needs to eat. I'm sure she's hungry. I'm thinking of making some pumpkin what for Lily. But she does not like sugar on the pumpkin. Like the pumpkins that I got this month, they are very sweety. Utwamba ngothi hayi jini kokochirisa zvimwe makwandani anosvika matanu none ayapira nopira makwanda anopira matanu ava ono. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. So on the to this only. Hazvo zvinojunika kuita kuti yogaidziwa asi makwanda vacho kwavetomudzora liche odzura nanyi anosvika anenge kure kure. Hey. I'm complaining because it's my sister who did. I'm sure we all have that one person in the household. Like, she took out the chicken feet last week. I think it was Sunday or Saturday. I don't remember, right? And then I remember I was sitting outside and I told her, come this side so that I can help you. She refused. I thought maybe she cleaned them. Ay, 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 ay. The Wi-Fi is starting to annoy me, Shem. I'm being annoyed. So those are the chicken feet that I did today. Minus this ones. Minus this. I don't know how to even begin with this. My sister did them. Hey, asuka chikopani nanyi. Hey, you see, it's cooked. The skin is cooked. Shem. Yeah. Ini wana visa makonda ni songa mali chani nge fridge. Aneya. Aneya junika.
Zwivhuya, na makwanda ndo vali kurotusa. Tungo bana nzoro na makwanda ni tu aone.
Love you too, babe. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Kurotusa na makwanda nzoro na makwanda ni tu aone. Rona no vurolia de zvinhu zvakomborime. Vela diva chita makwanda so yamuri omata osvika matakanisa ngomu.
Habe makwanda vaisara ini. Auna no upfi mini ni doita mina nepakana makwanda. Habe ndotoitira vamwe vatu mushumo izvo. I'm complaining. Married. No, I'm not. Nope. Why? People like to ask this question. Should you not ask, are you in a relationship? No, I can't show. I'm checking out. I'm tapping out of this. Bye. Nati chama ita ya makwanda bon. Abo, zuko soko nurukana mus. Ndawana asigisi kana. Anebonga ngomu. Like, yeah, I'm not sure if you can see, but the actual skin of the chicken feet is peeling. The actual skin, not the outer skin. Abo, muzamani, anga debe vobra you. Kaba debe doma bona. Adara hapa no nisi. Ew. Lily. Hi. So I'm finally outside. I look a big one. So I'm outside and what does this mean? I don't know. Rhonda! No! You know, Lily is very abusive. Like when it comes to beating, she takes the trophy. Lily way in Anishavi. Eh. Yanu jaram ka pongono. Wamanda tuwani nae. Nachi dish shinenda the mixer na butter na kulebula. Ini tuni divizi na nane. Niko funesa mafungu. Yo. Ndori tuwani nae. Angobe ari humani angobe ambana ni chitu. Hey, kids are always. So I want to feed Lily. Before I could do anything, I want to feed Lily. And then I should go brush my hair, brush my teeth, wash my face. But I can't do all that because Lily was supposed to have eaten like around 10 o'clock. Now it's going to 10:30. So no, I need to start with her and then maybe put in some water to bath. Oh, to cook, man. I'll bath later because already I'm outside. It's better if I do my chores and then I'll do the bathing later on. By 12, I need to be done with all my chores. That is how I do. Like, I put a certain time frame, and believe me, by that time, I will be done. Oh, I'm very far from the Wi-Fi. I think this live might disconnect anytime. I'm seeing somebody outside. That's ndori nani nti wamanda ineni ngoita zvonda ni room ndori chedzakadhena mukapu ini nani kudzana bhata napezana ndana chidishi kudishi kana kudishi kutuko zva pepuru nalebhura yamwana chimbanoita chedze zvinoenda kwamo ndiko shabo rihoyo angasvikeni tuwani naye nimo. I'm seeing the peanut butter, ne? I remember last night I woke up just to eat the peanut butter. Like it was near the bed. mm. Lily's watching me eat it. So this is the peanut butter that I mix with a maize puree. So she's watching me eat it. I'm very much addicted to peanut butter, by the way. And Lily is coming inside. Asichidishi chinoenda ngatira mukapo ichi. Chila kana nidheno kula kukontina kutuku kotamba. Umesa kustod. Peanut butter addict. Peanut butter addict. I'm actually making this song for Lily because she's looking at me weirdly. Lily! Mwah! Bon appetit! Mm, mm, mm. It's the way she loves to play on the soil, splashing dust. I literally went outside in the road. We had recent floods, so I collected some sand and then I came back with it home, splash it on where the kids can play. It's all over the ground, and it's one of Lily's favorite things to do. Yeah, man. Baby girl. Look at you, baby. Mwah. Kisses, love. Lily. Right away. Mwah. Mwah. She's not looking at me. I'm literally talking alone. See how bad my tinea vesicolor is? Yeah. I want to run away.